Artificial intelligence is changing the world. Until now, using Photoshop, real-looking fake photos could be created, but it took hours of hard work. Now, this can be done in just a second. Putting a smile on your face. Click one button and it's done. Changing your hairstyle. With one click, your hair becomes shorter. With one click, your hair becomes longer. These fake photos look very real. You can even expand your photos outside the borders. I can make paintings and animations in 2 seconds with the help of AI. In a few seconds and I get 8 different amazing options of Batman's painting. Companies like Marvel are using AI to create animations for their TV shows and movies. Companies like Amazon say that they will use AI to write books and then sell them on their website. It is unimaginable what AI is already capable of. Automatically replying to emails, writing emails for you, helping you in your studies, helping you with your work, giving you health advice, working as your virtual assistant. The possibilities are endless. We are witnessing a new global revolution. So, buckle up and join us as we uncover the incredible possibilities and potential risks of AI. AI is unleashing creativity like never before. Imagine creating real-looking fake photos, changing hairstyles, or generating stunning paintings and animations in seconds. AI empowers artists, animators, and graphic designers with tools that push the boundaries of imagination. With AI, language barriers are crumbling. It can now understand and translate spoken and written languages in real time. Instantly generate English subtitles or even change your voice to speak another language. AI-powered virtual assistants are making communication easier and more accessible across the globe. Streaming platforms, like Netflix, are using AI to recommend personalized content tailored to individual preferences. AI algorithms analyze user behavior to suggest movies, shows, and music that match their tastes, enhancing the overall entertainment experience. AI is transforming the healthcare industry with early disease detection, precision medicine, and advanced diagnostics. It aids doctors in making accurate diagnoses and treatment plans, ultimately improving patient outcomes. One of the major concerns surrounding AI is its potential impact on job markets. As AI automation increases, certain jobs may become obsolete, leaving many people unemployed. However, new job opportunities in AI-related fields are also emerging, emphasizing the importance of adapting and reskilling for the future job market. AI-powered tools can be misused for political propaganda and misinformation campaigns. By analyzing data and manipulating content, AI can influence public opinion and sway elections, posing a significant threat to democratic processes and social stability. AI-generated content can be exploited for scams and cyber attacks. Voice cloning technologies enable scammers to impersonate trusted individuals, leading to financial frauds and identity theft. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures becomes imperative to protect individuals and organizations from these threats. As AI becomes more sophisticated, ethical dilemmas arise. Decisions made by AI algorithms may not always align with human values, leading to potential biases or discriminatory outcomes. Striking the right balance between technological advancement and ethical considerations remains a critical challenge. Implementations of AI. Autonomous vehicles are a prime example of AI implementation. Self-driving cars use AI algorithms to process vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras, allowing them to navigate roads, interpret traffic signals, and avoid accidents. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and reduce traffic fatalities. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are powered by AI, making our lives more convenient. They can answer questions, control smart home devices, play music, and perform a variety of tasks, transforming the way we interact with technology. AI is assisting medical professionals in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRI scans, aiding in early detection of conditions like cancer and identifying potential health risks. AI is revolutionizing agriculture by optimizing crop yields and ensuring sustainable food production. Drones equipped with AI technology can monitor crop health, assess soil conditions, and apply precision agriculture techniques, leading to increased productivity and reduced environmental impact. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is definitely a powerful and transformative force that has the potential to change the world for the better. Its remarkable real-life implementations, from creative expression to medical advancements, demonstrate its positive impact on various industries. However, we must remain vigilant about the potential challenges and ethical concerns posed by AI. Job displacement and the misuse of AI for political propaganda and scams require careful regulation and oversight. Ensuring that AI technologies align with human values and uphold ethical standards is crucial for building a sustainable and equitable future. As AI continues to evolve, it is our responsibility to embrace its potential while mitigating its risks. Governments should regulate the AI development to address the ethical, social, and economic implications in the society. By fostering awareness, promoting education, and advancing responsible AI development, we can harness the power of AI to improve lives, enhance efficiency, and create a more connected and prosperous world for all.